Good evening, this is Pranav. Today we are going to see when we are creating supplies, we'll get some errors. It won't create. So we'll get a message like this: supply profile change request failed. Okay. So I will show how to rectify that type of errors. So first of all, I will try to create one supplier and go to procurement and suppliers and create supplier. So just I'm giving like supplier and take it just spend authorize it and go to individual create. Okay. So then supply type how to take supplier. After that, go to addresses and try to create address. Like, then I'm taking like the PIN code, postal code, and then use some address line for use some data for address line. Okay. Then I will try to create once this PIN code is entered, we populate city and state with county. We take some PIN code. So once this PIN code is automatically populated city and state and county. So use some like the address and make it is test address. The address is very important. Suppose we are your custom supplier have to be you're entering a PO is not checked. This supplier won't be appear in the creating PO. It is very important. Make it all enable. Use some email address and save it close. So that sites we can't create no create contact and to make it as a contact like anything you want and just give the address create contact address it won't appear now. Once is once is approved only it will you can create addresses. Okay. So want to create for user for this software. Suppose I want the ECB is the user. We have to create user account. Otherwise, no need to check this checkbox and save and close. Then submit. We'll try to see that. So internal profile change request is triggered. So it will get a notification here. Try to see that. Try to see that. Once is get a notification. Try to refresh it. Then we get notification or not. So selected supply. Test supply is approved. Okay, it's approved. Okay. So sometimes you will get a error. When will get error? Like show that somebody modified this is disabled. So somebody if anybody disabled this because manage internal software profile change, this will trigger to submit for once we submit a request for software creation, will trigger somebody modified disabled this group will automatically detect it. Okay, so make sure that when before creating a user, this rule has to be enabled and only create a user. Sorry, create a supplier. Okay, it's very important. This is very important. If it is not enabled, it will throw error. Don't create any supplier. So after that, because it's approved now, then what is the test supplier, right? And test supplier, okay? Then go to manage suppliers. Then is very important. One more, go to edit mode, go to address, sites. Okay, this is very important because sites can have to be created under equipment view. Okay, suppose suppose I want to create a PO from ESN business unit, then the supplier site will be available only for particular PO only, this PO only. Okay, what I mean is, suppose I have want to create a PO against this procurement PO, then you have to create site under this. Okay, because we already created. Just that everything will come. Make save it. One more thing you have to go to site assignments, auto create site assignments. This has to be also very important. Okay, so if we is not um, we it's not disabled, enable this client view and the build view. Okay, when creating invoices and purchasing orders, it will give error. Okay, so once we created a site, make sure that so go to auto create assignments and make sure that both are available. Okay, then save it, close. Then save it, then submit. Then suppose you want to create a PO, but then this supplier will come or not receive. Go to requirement, notice, it's creating a consider to last fulfillment method. See, because if you didn't give fulfillment view in proper fulfillment view in while creating sites, it won't appear that a supplier here. Okay, because we have created a supplier under fulfillment view T business unit. Um, that's why we have to see that the supplier here, right? Okay. So it's very important. Suppose we have got any problem when creating a supplier, we have to check in two ways in supplier approvals and second thing you have to create a supplier under site under requisition PO only. Then only that supplier will appear in while creating a PO. Okay. So that's why again the main error. So if it is disabled, it won't create any supplier. You have to enable at least one of these rules so that only it will be a supplier. Okay. So if it's rejected, you have to please go and check this is enabled or not, so that uh, you can rectify that error. Okay. So this is the main problem when creating a software. Make sure that this rule is enabled for manage internal software profiles in stores. Okay. If you have any doubts while creating the suppliers, um, write to me and I will rectify, try to answer and the queries in the comment section. Thank you.